I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Luigi's Mansion 3 on PC. To begin, you'll need to understand that playing console games on a computer requires emulation software. This process lets your computer mimic a Nintendo Switch. For a good experience, ensure your PC has strong components, especially a capable processor and graphics card. Remember, it's important to legally own the game to ensure ethical emulation practices. Next, you'll need to choose an emulator. Yuzu and Hujinx are currently the most popular and reliable options for Nintendo Switch games. Always download these emulators directly from their official websites to avoid security risks. After installation, you'll also need to acquire and install the console's firmware and decryption keys. These components are crucial for the emulator to properly run games. Once your emulator is set up, you'll need the game itself. The most legitimate way is to dump your own game files from a physical or digital copy you own on a Nintendo Switch. After adding the game, dive into the emulator's settings. Adjust graphics options like resolution and scaling to balance visual quality with performance. Don't forget to map your favorite controller for the best gameplay experience. To ensure the smoothest gameplay, always keep your graphics drivers updated to their latest versions. This can significantly improve stability and performance. Also, close any unnecessary background applications running on your computer to free up valuable system resources for the emulator. Experiment with different emulator settings, like shader caches, to find what works best for your specific setup. Remember to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof containers, plus other great deals we've found for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.